Once you have your paper cut, and making sure that you have your name, period, and student number on the back, we are going to be creating a grid. When you are done with the grid, it's going to look like this. You will have 9 total boxes that are each 4 inches by 4 inches. You will push as lightly as you possibly can. No pressure on your pencil when you do the actual grid, because all of this will get erased. However, for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to push down on my pencil so that you can see what I am doing. The first thing you have to realize is you cannot assume that your paper is perfectly square. So we always move our ruler, we never move the paper. You will line the ruler up, keeping in mind it is not the edge of the ruler that signifies 0, but the first line that signifies 0. You will line it up, and every 4 inches you will make a tally. It's important that a tally comes away from the ruler, not against the ruler. At 4 and at 8, you will come down to the bottom, again carefully lining it up, making sure that the side you designated as 0 is still 0, in case your paper is not square. Make a tally at 4 and at 8. Once you have 2 tallies, twisting your ruler, not your paper, you will line it up, and again, with as least pressure as you can, you will push down on your pencil. If it's not perfect, don't worry about it. Once you've done this to one side, you will then do it to the other. Again, not moving your paper, moving your ruler, tally at 4, tally at 8. Come down this direction, lining up your ruler, tally at 8, tally at 4. You will probably have to pause your video, as I'm able to do this probably faster than you are, because I'm not worried if I'm making it perfect or not, whereas you will want to take your time with this. After we have made our grid, we want to figure out where the exact center of all of our boxes are. To do this, we make an X. So take your paper and twist it on the diagonal, line up the corner so that you are cutting through your boxes, and then you make just like guesstimate where you think the center is and draw a line, and then you move down, do the same thing here, and you keep going until you have all the slashes on this side. Once that is done, you take and you turn your paper and you repeat so that you have all of the slashes on this side, which will give you a series of X's in every one of your boxes.